Go.
I cut these fender brackets off. I found this little, I'll show you, I got another one over here in the magic mystery bucket. Let's see, where's that piece there? Just up there. This is like a air conditioner, AC compressor support bracket off something. Let's cut it in half. Let's mount this gas tank. It's not the prettiest thing, but I ain't spending $100 on a little tiny gas tank when that one's free. The carburetor was interfering with this fender, so I took it off. I'll probably go ahead and cut these back off. The seat bracket had to rotate it 90 degrees, so I had to cut it off here and weld it back in where I could bolt this seat up. Just run this breather through here. Probably leave it like that. I already cranked it once. Let it break in and drain the oil out. Put fresh oil in it. What else did we do? Oh, I had to reslot the engine plate. But we'll go ahead and crank it up. But anyways, let's go for a test ride. What's up, YouTube? We finally got this 79cc Predator back together, so we're gonna crank it up and go for a ride. That's pretty good. You could use a stall clutch. This small CC motor. Don't have a lot of torque. That's expected. If you had a clutch that engaged at like 3,000 instead of 2,000, that would help a lot. This crankcase vent, I had it just sticking up like right here, and these hoses were kind of drooping downward from here to here, and just pushing a lot of oil through the filter here. So I just kind of tied these up where the oil can drain back down, and it helped a lot. Still gets a little bit, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was. Still need to do some tuning on the carburetor. See, I got a 90 jet, main jet, and whatever the stock slow jet is. And I got the needle right in the middle. So I mean, it works. I think the bottom is still a little bit lean at low RPM. So I got a jet kit coming. The jet kit comes with like 10 or 12 different size slow jets and 10 or 12, I think it's like 20 main jets. So I got these little tiny drill bits. So this is what I started with, because all I had was a stock jet. This is a 034 drill bit. It worked with the needle all the way at the top, but it wasn't right. So like I said, right now it's got a 90 main jet and a stock slow jet with the needle in the center. And it works. It's still got like some mid-range dead spots, but we'll get that fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.